In this video, we will show you how to use the screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy A33 so that you can easily document what you do when needed. While you can use third-party applications to record your screen, in this tutorial, we will be using the built-in recorder. We will also show you how to set it up so you can record audio properly. To begin, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers to pull up the quick settings panel. If you didn't change the layout, then the screen recorder must be in the first page, otherwise, swipe left to find it. To begin recording, tap on the icon and it will pull up a window asking you whether to record without a sound, record media sounds only, or record with media and microphone sounds. After making some changes, tap Start Recording and your phone will begin the recording after the countdown. An opaque toolbar will become visible and you can actually drag it around the screen. You can draw something on the screen, add the selfie video, and pause or stop the recording. So to stop the recording, tap the square icon. The recording will be saved in your phone's internal storage. You can view it using Gallery or Photos app. However, if you want to make sure the recording has your specifications, then you should check its settings. To do that, pull down the quick settings panel again by swiping from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. This time, tap and hold the screen recorder icon until you're brought to its settings page. Now, you can change the video quality. You have 3 options to choose from and it's recommended to use high or the full HD resolution. But if you don't have much storage space in your phone, then use the lower resolution. You can also change the sound settings if you want. After making some changes, just close the window and you can start recording your screen. And that's how you use the built-in screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy A33. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.